And Maxlaw is continuing to contest the jungle here behind Nisqy. Now, Xerxes was waiting in the wings and will be the first one to move. Stretching strike connects with a chicken. Flash forward there from Nisqy. Gets the root down. First blood available. Not going to be secure just yet. Winds of War. Finally, Nisqy gets the kill secure. Senkax is now running for his life. Nisqy misses the overload. Misses the ability to get a shield. And now Xerxes gets tagged and pulled backwards. A stretching strike comes out. And a miniature Zac gets justice punched in the face. A flash forward just for giggles. And it's 2-1 for Splyce.
I can see the play coming in. Misfits, they're going in.
All right, there's the elastic slingshot from Xerxes. It's a 4-on-3 combat. Forced to flash defensively. He's run down by Maxlaw. There's at least a trade back into MixCX. And the fight is now messy. Kissing's running for his life. Maxlaw gets a double kill. It's the smite to secure it.
Here it comes, here it comes.
All right, where's the hero's entrance? Senkax is coming down. Gigantic monsoon in the back end. That's healing up Splyce, but for how long? Corbett is already taken down. 2 quick kills for Misfits. An Elder Dragon plus however many Elemental Dragons may just be enough. Chain of Corruption will lock down Xerxes. His passive is going to get popped. That self-division is already all grouped up. Realm Orb comes out from Nisqy. A teleport from Odo. He gets interrupted. Shut down onto Xerxes. That was a great interrupt. A cheeky attempt to save his teammate from Odo. Ace in the hole will tag Hunts. Remember, he used his flash already. Nisqy's looking to lock down Maxlaw. Overload into Rune Prison. Won't be able to lock him down anymore with the Ragnarocking Olaf running away.
Then he basically offers very little value. Whereas Varus, if you mess up, he still offers value. Now, looking at Nisqy, he's trying to escape.
Oh my word! Look at those blue suede shoes and the 2-step. Nisqy survives long enough. Yeah, will go down. Mickey's the target, taking a lot of damage. Xerxes' ultimate's on cooldown. That's a great stretching strike. Pulls 2 members of Misfits together. The hero's entrance comes down from Senkax, and that's going to be an easy kill. It's 4 Cobby, though.
This is Misfits' final answer.
Teleport in from behind, but the fight has already started. Here comes Senkax. Justice punch on the front line. Nisqy gets the first kill of the fight, and Cobby's currently untouched. Senkax running for his life, and so is Maxlaw. Runs in and runs out. Flash forward for Nisqy. Baron empowered minions. They're not done yet. If Misfits lose too many more members, this could be the game. It's a double kill for Cobby and Splyce. They're looking to push down. Another inhibitor is going to fall and the top lane's exposed, but they're setting aside to the Nexus.
Once again, a huge team fight for Splyce, demonstrating their ability to work as a 5-man. And Trevor, I think that's going to be game.
There's no doubt about it. The Nexus is getting destroyed. Misfits are wrecked and Splyce are racing for second place.